Nestled in the southwestern coastal area of Jamaica is a picturesque, surreal scenery and the best mouth-watering seafood delight you will find in Manchester in a community called Alligator Pond. Tucked away on the edges of the community is the best seafood restaurant ever people eat named Ochid. So I was out for a bellyful and not to mention treating my taste bud to the best food ever. And so we took the 30 minutes drive from Santa Cruz to Little Ochid for lunch. Now the beauty about it is that you choose your food, so you know exactly what will be on your plate. So guys, we entered into the restaurant and of course we saw the price, we saw the menu, all of that, and then we were directed to the refrigerator. Now people, this is like the real Jamaican old-time kitchen. You see the food cooking on the open fire, everything done without, everything parcel, seasoning in a base, everything people. So now in our fridge, this is what it looks like. You choose what you want to eat. And of course, I wasn't going for no little pion fish. No, me I go for some big guns. I wanted a big belly full and I wanted to enjoy my meal to the maximum. So people, I choose myself some good nice snapper. I don't want a fine fish, I don't want bone for come stuck up in my throat because guys, this restaurant, they serve the fish whole. I'm not sure if you can order fillet or what, but I saw me see how it things set and I followed the instructions from the persons who were directing me. So I choose my fish and carry it up at the top part, people. Wait right there. Send me to the cashier where I went and paid for my fish. People. I know you're going to enjoy the time in the kitchen with me today. Well, more like outside the kitchen. So if you have not subscribed, go ahead, people, and do so now. You're in for a treat. Give my video some likes. Give me some thumbs up, guys. Share my video with your friends. Share my channel with your friends. Tell them too to subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and other social media sites at Wim's Kitchen and like my Facebook page at Walking in My Mother's Shoe. Now remember, if you're celebrating a birthday, an anniversary, or any extra special milestone in your life, happy birthday from Wim's Kitchen and congratulations to you. So see the people, they don't wait a fish. They ask how I want them to be done. And of course, my choice, brown stew. And of course, my friends and other family members wanted some steamed fish. But brown stew is always it for me. So I ordered festival and bami and fried plantain. We wanted all the sides. And then we went to the cashier to pay for the fish. I'm not sure how much the fish weigh, guys, but I know so people them tell me some must pay $6,000 something. That's a little bit over when you add juice and all. Give and take 50 US dollars. So you know, I went to the cashier, I paid for my meal, and I went outside to enjoy the beautiful scenery. Now people, if you're looking at the background, it's the girl in the back there. Yeah, she prepared the scallion and all of them things there. The food prepared right there. If you want to stay and watch the preparation, you can do so. But of course, outside is beautiful, and so I'm gonna take you outside. We choose our own little cabana. I don't know what you know want to call it. We look hot, we look whatever. We choose our own. And we went there, we joined with some other friends, people, and we're going to watch people on the beach, people over them other little shed, go and enjoy for them family moment. So after about 45 minutes, I went back inside to check what's going on, and we were told that they're waiting on the festival, but our food was ready. So guys, may I go back outside, see there, the food come, the food nice, it look good. I can't wait for digging into this. I like that food safety is important given the corona time and everything. Trust me, that was a level of comfort for me. Our food came all covered. I like that about it, I guess, too, because they're taking the food outdoor. They cover the food in saran wrap. I like that. And people, we are going because we are going to mash up this.
Mash up that get mash up. Ooh. Over there so get mash up. Sorry, how you say? Oh, believe me, mash up. If I mash up that.
So guys, after a belly full, we took a stroll on the beach and then it was time to go back home. It was fun taking you along with me on my lunch date. So if you're looking for a nice chill spot in Jamaica while having delicious food and enjoying beautiful scenery, then Little Ochid is where it's at. This is not a paid promotion, guys, but this was just a wonderful experience and I thought best to share it with you. If you haven't subscribed us yet, please go ahead and do so and give me some thumbs up. Thank you for staying with me.